Hey everybody, what's going on? Austin here, and it is bright, so I am going to turn around. I am in Silverleaf. You see behind me all this new construction going on. We're at Silverleaf, and we are at the Ortega model, the model for Riverside homes. This model is incredible. So this can be bought as or built as a single story plan at 2,700 square foot, or as it sits with this, it has a bonus room that brings it up to 33 square feet. That's easy to remember. I like that. So I'm gonna kick my shoes off because they're kind of squeaky today. All right. So when we first come in, we've got openings to the left and the right here. To the right, we have this bathroom and full bath. Little linen closet here. Check out this. Then you have the second bedroom right here, and we go across the hallway here. Laundry down here. Entry from the garage. This is great right here. You've got a third bedroom with its own shower. Full bath. We'll hop up those stairs in a minute. But this is the bottom level, which is about 27 and change square feet. So you got a great big kitchen dining nook. Massive screened wall or glassed in wall here with all these transom windows up along the top as well. It's so light in here and bright. One cool thing with the nice quartz. One cool thing with Riverside is they come with Bosch appliances. Good sized walk-in pantry. And when we go across the living room here, we go over to the master. So master bedroom, master bedroom. This bay window cutout here. Into the master bath. Separate vanities. Your water closet. And master closet. So as a single story plan, this is pretty cool here too. You've got this downstairs bonus room. Flex room. It's really big. It's a great size. You can put doors here. You can do an office. You can do a playroom. You could do a home theater. Oh, look at this. They've built this playhouse under the stairs. How amazing is that? Look at the storage under the stairs. They put this little playhouse here. It's incredible. It's got a light switch in here. Look at that. One of the great things you get with Riverside Home, little touches, little thoughtful things. And I have no doubt they could do that for you guys too. All right. So if that wasn't enough, let's see what's up here. All right, so top of the stairs. Got the mechanicals. Walking straight into this massive bonus room. I love this game. It doesn't have the sand. You need the sand, right, to make this thing slide. You got a big closet up here and another full bath. All right, this was the Ortega Riverside Homes in Silverleaf. As this one sits, it's 33 square feet. Amazing, amazing home. I look forward to showing you guys more, and let's move on to the next one.